Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are very good and very good morning to all of you. I know you all are taking good care of yourself at your home, and student, always wear mask while you are going outside and always sanitize your hand with hand sanitizer or soap. Okay, and maintain 6 feet distance from you and other people. Okay, now let's start. Today we are going to read a story. Today we are going to read a story from your composition and comprehension book. All of you open your book, page number 70. The today's topic is about the story The Ant and the Grasshopper. I am writing the name of the story. The name of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Grasshopper. The story is about two insects. The first one is ant and the second is grasshopper. Do you know what is grasshopper? Okay, I am writing the picture. I am drawing the picture of ant, then the grasshopper. This is the picture of an ant. This is the picture of an ant. A-N-T, ant. Now I am drawing the picture of grasshopper. This is the picture of a grasshopper. Okay. This is the picture of an ant and this is the grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S. Grasshopper. Okay, now let's read the story. This story is about an ant and the grasshopper. Now, if we read the story, then we will understand what happened with these two insects. Now, let's read. A lazy grasshopper laughed at a little ant as she was always busy gathering food. And this lazy grasshopper. Now, in this story, grasshopper is lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy means idle. I-D-L-E, idle. Or unwilling to work. Who don't want to work. Okay, this is the grasshopper and grasshopper is lazy. A lazy grasshopper laughed at a little ant. Laughed means smiled. Laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed means smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Smiled. At a little ant. At a little ant as she was always busy. And the ant was always busy gathering food. Which part was she busy? She was busy gathering food. Why are you working so hard? Why are you working so hard? He asked. Now he asked, why are you working so hard? Who asking? The grasshopper is asking, why are you working so hard? Come into the sunshine. Come into the sunshine and listen to my merry songs. Come into the sunshine. Sunshine means sunlight. S-U-N-S-H-I-N-E. Sunshine means sunlight. L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. You all know the spelling of sun and light. Sunlight. Sunshine means sunlight. And who is lazy? Grasshopper is lazy. And is hard working. H-A-R-D. Hard working. W-O-R-K-I-N-G. Hard working means who work with energy. Hardworking means who work with energy. In this story, ant hard with energy and grasshopper is very lazy. Now continue. Come into the sunshine. Come into the sunshine means sunlight and listen to my merry songs. And listen to my merry songs. Merry means lively and cheerful. MERRY. Merry means lively or cheerful. Cheerful. You can say happy songs. Merry songs means happy songs. And listen to my merry songs. But the ant went on with her work. But the ant went on with her work. She said, I am storing food for winter. I am storing food for winter. Storing means collecting. Storing means collecting. Storing. Write the word meaning storing. STORING. Storing means collecting. 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 I am storing food for winter. Which season? Winter. Sunny days won't last forever. Sunny days won't last forever. Sunny days means summer days. Won't last forever. Last means stay. Last means stay. Means sunny days will not stay forever. Winter is so far yet away. Laughed the grasshopper. Then the grasshopper smiled and said that winter is so far yet, so far away yet. And when the winter came, when the winter came, the ant settled down. The ant settled down in her comfortable house. Comfortable means pleasant. Comfortable. COMFORTABLE. Comfortable means pleasant. 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 So the ant settled down in her comfortable house. She had plenty of foods. She had plenty of foods. Who had? The ant had plenty of food. Plenty means much food. Plenty means much. Plenty. PLENTY. Plenty means much. 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 Much food to last the whole winter. Means the ant had plenty of food to last the whole winter. The grasshopper had nothing to eat. The grasshopper had nothing to eat. So he went to the ant. And begged her for a little corn. Now begged means asked for something. Asked for something or prayed for something. Begged. BEGGED. Begged means asked for something. Asked for something. Or prayed for something. Okay. Now who begged? The grasshopper. The lazy grasshopper begged her for a little corn. No, replied the ant. Then the ant replied, no. You laughed at me. When I worked. Then the ant remembered that what the grasshopper had said. And she said, you laughed at me when I worked. You yourself sang through the whole summer. So you had better dance the winter away too. Now the ant is telling that so you had better dance the winter away too. Okay, so this is the story. This is the story about the ant and the grasshopper. Now student, what did you learn from the story? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, I am writing, if you the moral of the story is, if you do not work on the time of working, on the time of working, Later you will face difficulties. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? If you do not work on the time of working, later you will face difficulty. Or you can write, idleness or laziness is a curse. Idleness is curse. The another moral of the story is idleness is curse. Okay. So that's all for today. All of you read this story carefully and learn the spelling of the new words and new meaning. That's all for today and bye.